Hi everyone, it's Roland Tech Virtual Assistant. I am Roland based in the Philippines. Today we are going to be having tutorial on time management. But before we dive into the tutorial fully, it's important for us to know what is time management. Time management is a process of planning and controlling time spent on a specific task to increase efficiency. So it's important we know what is our time management, and also important for us to know that we have a lot of time management tools that we can use as virtual assistant while working with our potential client. And one of the tools are Clockify. We are going to be having tutorial on Clockify. I'm going to be sharing my screen so that we can learn and navigate together. So if you're on your computer, follow my voiceover and my mouse pointer to get it correctly.
Okay, now if you're on your computer and on your Gmail, and you just open a new page, a new address bar where you can type your Clockify, clockify.me, as you can see. When you type it and this page will open, if you already have an account, just click on login. For me, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account yet, you can click on this side, sign up. Then it will take you through the process of registration. It's very, very easy. You just need to register with your Gmail. I told you about opening a professional Gmail. So you just click on your sign up and it will take you through the process of registering it with your professional Gmail. And after that, you will have this dashboard open. Like me, I already have my Clockify account. When I click on this login, it will take me to this Clockify dashboard. Okay, just follow my mouse pointer and my voiceover, you will get it correctly. Now, when you have this Clockify dashboard, all you just need to do, if you can see it very clearly, you will see where all the item is here. You have your time tracker, you have your calendar schedule, expense, you have your dashboard report, you have project team, client, and tag. So you have it all there. So if we are to track our tasks that we are managing, or rather that we are handling for our potential client, all we just need to do is to take your mouse pointer to this place when you stay on your time tracker. Okay, don't forget to click on this time tracker, and you are going to track your task, or your potential client is going to track the task that you are handling for him, because in this time tracker, your potential client can also track the time from his end, so that he or she will know the time that you are working on, or rather, he will be able to understand and know the specific time that you are supposed to be done with this job. So it's very important that whenever you are working, you need to have your self-discipline so that you can follow your time tracker and finish your job on time, so you not have a delay on your on your job when dealing with your potential client. Okay, so just follow my mouse pointer accordingly, you will understand what I am explaining right here. Okay, now if you are to start tracking your task, and this is your time tracker, your time tool, so you take your mouse pointer to this place where you have projects. Okay, you click on this project, you need to create a new project. You need to create a new project. Creating a new project depends, or based on the specific job that you're handling for your client. Okay, if you have your client name, you can also put it over there, but first you need to create the project. You click on this create new project, then you have this dashboard here. Then all you need to do is to put the name. You input the name of the project that you are handling for your client. For example, you are handling it might be email management, it might be Google Calendar job. Just for example, for the sake of this tutorial, I will input calendar management. We have it there. If you have the name of the client, you can input it here, or you can search it here, and it will be add. But if there's nothing to worry about. Just click on your create. Okay, and you already have your project created. Okay, just follow my mouse pointer and my voiceover, you get it correctly. This is your Google Calendar job that you are doing for your potential client, or that you are handling for your potential client. So this is the project created here already. Now, if your client is to track your time, the time frame that you are using dealing on his assignment, or rather on his project, all you just need to do is to click on this start. Okay, when you click on this start button, and it will start counting. Okay, so for example, if you are handling a job on an hourly rate, this time tracker is very good for you to track your job, or for your potential client to track your job when you are handling a job that is hourly rate. Okay, it's very important. And if this happens to be every 1 hour, it is also good that your potential client knows that you are really working. You have your self-discipline with you that you are working on this particular job. Okay. So if you also want to stop this time, you can take your mouse pointer here and stop this time at any time. Okay. When you stop it, and it will shows that it was on 43 seconds that you are handling a job on your of your potential client. Okay. So if you want to know the report of this time, you can simply take your mouse pointer down to this report. Okay. You click on this report, and the time will generate, these tools will generate this time for you. Look at, you can see it, and you can also check the project. Okay. You click on project and you will see the project that you have here, this calendar management. You have it here as the project name, and this is the time that it's supposed to be, which is 1 hour. It's supposed to take 1 hour. So you only have, I think, 34 seconds a while ago. So this is how you will be able to be tracking your job. Okay, so that you will not fall out of the job, or rather you will not be much there will not be much delay while you are handling your potential client job, because the way you are tracking it over here, your potential client is also seeing the same time in his Clockify over there. Okay, so make no mistake to understand these tools correctly, so that you'll be able to understand what you are doing with your potential client. Okay, so as you can see, this is your time tracker tools, which is your time management. When you are managing the time that you are handling your task of your potential client, this is how you will be able to handle it correctly, and you will understand how
If
it
this
works
teaching
correctly.
interests you, feel free to give it a like, subscribe, follow, and share this video to reach more audience. See you in the next video.